Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I'd like to welcome you to this very special episode. Now in this episode, it's more of an announcements episode than anything else, so stick with it because I think you're going to absolutely, I hope you're going to be as excited as I've been. So for the past couple of months I've been a FabScraps ambassador and been bringing you some gorgeous projects featuring two collections from FabScraps, the Free Spirit collection and the Extravaganza collection. But now FabScraps have just launched two brand new collections, Love Story and Days Gone By. And these collections are absolutely beautiful. Following this episode, we have two videos showing both of the collections. So stick around and watch those because you're going to love them. However, the big announcement is because so many of you want to get hold of your collection and you want to be able to use them and papercraft with them yourselves, but you can't get hold of them because it's difficult to find a retailer in your area, etc. FabScraps have launched what's called a Fab-Box collection. Everything you see in the overview now for the collections that I show you are available to purchase in the Fab-Box. Each collection is full of 16 12 by 12 papers. There's 8 designs, you get 2 of each. You get, I'm going to read this actually to make sure I read it, get it right. 16 12 by 12 papers, 8 designs, 2 of each. And let's not forget that they're double-sided. You get 1 die cut album, 1 die cut frame sheet. Now they're the beer board, you know, the sentiments etc. that you can get. There's 2 sticker sheets, 2 stencils, and then all the bonus 8 by 8 sheets and the paper embellishments. And if that wasn't enough, it's presented to you in a white box, a hardboard white box, with black ribbon, the Fab logo, and white tissue inside. It's going to look absolutely amazing. For the first 10 orders, you're also going to get a free gift. You're going to get a little bit of extra something just to say thank you very much. So for anybody that wants to order, I would say today, then you're going to get something a little bit extra. There's 4 collections available to order from at the moment. This is the Free Spirit collection, the Extravaganza collection, and the 2 brand new collections. So you can get your hands on Love Story or Days Gone By. Now the next thing is, because I hope you're sitting there tightly, it doesn't matter where you live in the world. You can now get your collections through FabScraps to be sent to you door to door. So it doesn't matter, England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales, America, Canada, Australia, Asia, you name it, FabScraps will send it to you. Not only that, but the price you pay includes shipping. There's a set price per collection. It's the same price each collection, but it includes the shipping. And it's just so cool. Absolutely, I've been so excited to be able to tell you, because I know so many of you wrote to me and said, oh, I want to get that, where can I get mine from? Now you can. Now to get your collection, all you have to do is, there is a link on my blog. I'll put it on YouTube, I'll put it on Facebook, I'll put it wherever I can to share this link. All you have to do is complete the form, it's sent off, and FabScraps will sort out and send out your order. Give it a few, couple of weeks, I would say, for your postage. Probably less than that. But, I don't want to sit here saying, oh, it'll only take 2 days to get to you, because it won't, let's be honest. So, sit back and wait for your order. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for your order, I'm now going to be doing a project, or I'm going to endeavour to do a project every Wednesday from now on for FabScraps. So we're going to do it in alternate weeks. One week we're going to look at Love Story, the next we're going to look at Days Gone By. We're going to alternate it, and then in 8 weeks' time, roughly, there will be 2 new collections. Now when the 2 new collections are available, 2 of the old ones will drop off being available for the fab boxes. So there will probably be roughly 4 available at any one time. 2 from the past, 2 that are running currently. I'm going to say these are kind of like a limited stock, but I don't mean there's only like 15 available. But you don't want to wait till last minute just in case they do sell out. However, you know, isn't it great to be able to get new collections when they're launched? It's just like, I'm so excited that you can get hold of yours. I'm going to create 2 videos today to show you the overviews of both collections. What you see in the overview is what you get in the box. That's the most exciting thing. So everything I show you from the 2 collections, that's what's available to you. And I just think it is amazing that they've been able to bring this to you. I think it's amazing that I'm able to tell you about it. So just for clarity, in case I've rambled, FabScraps FAB-Box Collections are now available for 4 collections: Extravaganza, Free Spirit, Love Story, Days Gone By. Fab boxes are available door to door, worldwide. You get lots in it. We're going to be creating projects every Wednesday, or endeavour to do every Wednesday, you know, give or take the odd week where I might be on holiday. And we're just going to carry on for roughly 8 weeks. Then 2 new collections will be launched, roughly September. And then they will be available for you to purchase. It's just like, wow, you're getting the latest products and door to door for a great price. We've not even touched on price. I'm not going to say the price, because if you're watching this in a few years' time and the price has changed slightly, you'll be trying to hold me to that price. But all I can say is the price is just unbelievable, and it includes shipping. So wherever you live, the price you pay is included with the shipping. And I know I'm repeating myself, but I can't impress how wow this is. So I really hope my announcement has helped all you fab fans, because now you can get hold of your fab collections and it is just amazing. So please check my blog for the link. I'll put the link below. I'll put it on Facebook. I'll put it everywhere I can. And for every collection or project that we create, I will always include the link of how you can get hold of your collection. So today, please look out for the 2 overviews of the brand new collections from FabScraps. You are going to absolutely love them. And I would just like to say thank you. And thank you to FabScraps for letting me announce this. Check your Fab Ambassador, because they will be able to have details as well. And I want to say thank you to you for following the last couple of months with our FabScraps journey. And our journey is only just beginning. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.